And the opposite of talking, when I grew up, the opposite of talking was waiting. That's real.
Just me now.
Yeah. It's like it's a room full of like that. It's like who's next?
Wow, I
Like,
love that self-awareness in you though. That takes quite a lot.
it's a bizarre thing. Like having all these conversations, you're doing interviews all the time.
Mm.
What have you learned about yourself from doing interviews?
Sometimes I ramble on too much. I've had to learn that sometimes just answer the question and then be still, because in that gap after the question is where you end up saying stuff that you didn't mean to say.